Hey babies! One more time. Hey babies! Welcome to Kimberly Worldwide, and thank you so much for tuning in to this video. Today it is going to be amazing because I am going to be unboxing the May icon box from IPSY. And if you know my videos, you know that these boxes are amazing. So get ready, grab a drink, grab a snack, sit tight. Here we go. If you're not familiar with the icon box, I'm not going to talk your ear off about it. Just check the link below this video. You can find all IPSY subscription boxes right there. In a nutshell, the icon box, I want to say it's 60 bucks. You get 5 curated products and 3 products you can pick. They're all full-size products, and I think the value of the box is up to $350, so it's absolutely worth it. When you receive the box, it comes with a little newspaper like pamphlet like this that tells you all about what's in the box, about the celebrity who curated the box, fabulous Patrick Starrr. And yeah, it's really cool because it tells you all the items that you could possibly find in your box. So here we go. Okay, so the first product that I pulled out of the box is the Vacation SPF 30 Baby Oil Sunscreen. It says here that it replaces mineral oils with a blend of superior ingredients like jojoba oil, vitamin E, and rose. And yeah, and it gives you a great shine and has SPF 30. I'm just gonna put a little bit on. So here we go. I just put 3 drops. Let me just try it. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is $22 retail. And it already leaves a nice shimmer on your skin right there. But I'm sold for the smell. It smells. The scent is so light and just like powdery, almost like creamy. Oh, I love it. This is absolutely going to be amazing, you know, on the beach and stuff, because it still gives that sheen to your skin, which is really nice. The next item is from a brand named Byru, and it's their Basil Dark Spot Correcting Cream. And I am actually wearing this right now. It purifies, hydrates, and soothes. And it has a pro-fade complex, so it helps to visibly brighten and improve skin barrier function. I have to say, when I put this on, I noticed like a blurring effect on my skin, which was really nice. So I put it underneath my makeup, so it was a perfect base for makeup, I thought. And it helps with dark spots. So if you have a lot of dark spots on your skin, hyperpigmentation that you want to get rid of, this might work. And I instantly noticed the difference on my skin when I put it on. It doesn't leave any greasiness, but I do notice, and this is really strange, that my skin right now, with the makeup that I put on, it looks dewier than it normally does. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have like a glow. You know, I'm not pregnant, but I have like a glow that's like there, and I didn't do anything that I normally, you know, I didn't do anything different. This product is $85, guys. $85. So right there you have your whole value of your icon box. The next item is the Pore Professional Speedy Smooth Quick Smoothing Pore Mask. Wow, that's a mouthful. Okay, so that's this mask from Benefit Cosmetics. I already used it, but I didn't film myself using it because I was like, I just needed a quick mask, so I already used it. So it's $39 retail. Treat your pores to a super speed facial. It's a 5-minute mask, and the gel transforms into clay. Okay, and it cleans your pores, gets every ickiness out, and smooths uneven texture. I have already used this, and I don't have really large pores, so I can't really speak on pores. It's minimizing your pores and all that stuff, but it did make my skin feel really, really clean and really, really fresh. So, yeah, don't have a bad thing to say. I didn't break out from it. No harsh reactions or anything. So it's all good in my book. So the next item in the box that I picked was the One Size liquid liner pen. This is what the pen looks like. It was in the shade Busty Brown. What I like the best about this pencil is that although it's a liquid liner and it's waterproof, it still left room and time to make corrections. Like a lot of these liners, when you apply it, they dry instantly and you're done. If you make a mistake, you're done. But this one doesn't dry right away, so you still can take a Q-tip and make some corrections so it's looking flawless. It's $19 retail, and yeah, no complaints so far. The next item I have not tried, it's the Kosas Growth Potion. There it is. This is what it looks like. It looks like a mascara tube. And I have not tried it. It's actually a treatment to make your brow hairs or your lashes grow faster. And it is $48. So they call it a magical potion that could help your lashes and brows reach their full potential. So it has vegan keratin and pro vitamin B5. And it retails for $48. So the next item that came in the box is of Fenty Beauty. Yes, babies. So this came, which is the case to the lipsticks, and it came with a Fenty lipstick, which is the refill. So basically, if you buy this case in the store, you can separately buy these lipsticks and refill your case with it. I already have the silver one that I purchased myself in the store. And the way it works basically is you twist the bottom of the case and then you can just take out the refill lipstick and it's right there. And that's so awesome. And I love that this brand was in the box because I absolutely love these lipsticks. The lipstick shade that came in my box was the Mother Lover. Whoever comes up with these names, it's interesting. In the box came the One Size Lip Snatcher. Yes, so it's basically a dual lipstick, one side's matte, one side's glossy. You can either mix them together, wear them together, or separate. And I'm actually wearing the gloss right now. Yes, this is what it looks like. I actually have to say what I like about this gloss. It's not, you know how most glosses nowadays that they make have that plumping sensation to your lips where it burns your lips and all that stuff. This doesn't have that. It's not sticky at all. And it has enough pigment for you to be able to wear it alone. So the color is still there and not just the glossiness. It's really nice. And this lipstick retails for $28. Let me show you. This is what the matte looks like. The shade I got was called Be About It. And this is the lip gloss. The Lip Snatcher Duo is $28. You get two basically for the price of one. The last item in the box is the Dermalactives Purifying Cleansing Gel. This is a cleansing gel. It's incredibly gentle, alcohol-free. It purifies the skin by lifting and removing makeup, oil-based debris, and impurities. It's a calming combination of minerals, aloe, and all kinds of other stuff. And it cleanses, softens, and smooths and refreshes the skin. I love the bottle. It's very, very Yeah, sturdy. It's $70 retail. That is my video for today. Yes, remember, if you're interested in getting the icon box, make sure to check the link below this video. And yeah, get yourself one of these boxes. It's so worth it. 60 bucks for $350 plus in products. These boxes are amazing. Get it. Check out the link below. Let me know what you think of this video, what you thought of the products. And yeah, I will see you guys again next week in another video. I will be back. I hope you will be too.